Okay, so in this one we will be seeing the same module, is introductory secure coding in Python, and this time we will be seeing the reflected cross-site scripting. This lab I've already done it. It's quite easy, quite short, so let's just get to it. Okay, now there we go. Let's just wait for it to load, and then we can launch the application. There it is. Here we go. Now let's just introduce the credentials. There we go. Test. Okay, it is up and running. Now next, follow the instructions. Switch to the browser, use the demo credentials, switch to the IDE, and get to login py, which is this one. It says to check for the variable MOTD. Well, to check for MOTD, which is this one. Now, as you can see, it just takes the value, so it passes the value and without any kind of validation or sanitization. So now this is kind of dangerous, right? Now it says to open user.py, which is this one, and here we go. This MOTD, right? And these ones are passed to the template, which is this one, home, here it is, and the value is used over here. It was yep, here it is, and the tag safe is being used, which is obviously wrong. Now the way to solve it is by simply removing this so the encoding can happen. So let's first check it out in the hacking step. Here we go. Like this, just a basic one, right? There we go, cross-site scripting. Now to fix it, we just do this, and now this will be encoded, so now they will no longer be dangerous. You see? Easy. This lab was really easy, and we can see how some of these vulnerabilities can be easily fixable. Can be easily fixed by just understanding the flow of the information. So I guess that's it. Let's just check it out, and yep, fixed, not vulnerable anymore. Thank you.